Hello, this is Bobby with Iconic Autos in sunny Scottsdale, Arizona. Today we have for you is a beautiful 1989 Mercedes 560 SL. Little roadster. It's a two-top. It's got the hardtop with a convertible top. Last year for this 560 SL body style. And these are like classics. Everyone recognizes these from the movies from the 80s. But these are becoming very highly desirable. Especially 89, it's the last year for this, and like 5,000 production, I believe, on the car. But very clean. I'm selling this car for a client. It's on consignment. It's got 85,000 miles, but it's actually showing in kilometers because this car has been in Canada. So it's got 136,000 kilometers. But it's 85,000 miles, clean Carfax, no accidents, but beautiful running, driving car, beautiful paint. It's a Impala brown metallic with a Brazil leather, and beautiful interior paint, top, soft tops excellent, hard tops excellent. You can tell it's a very well taken care of car. We're just gonna do around, I do these videos just mainly for condition report. So I start right up here. You see it looks like original windshield in it with the sticker there. Beautiful paint, real nice trim. All the rubbers are nice. On the bottom there is very nice. The air dam there, all this chrome. It's clean. You got one little ding right here. Definitely tell this car's been garage kept. You got a couple little marks in the front here, but nothing major, just from normal use. Got the factory wheels with Continental tires. I'm gonna say the tires are older on the car. Like, I would probably replace the tires at some point. Forgot what the date was, but it was definitely, yeah, you got a little dry rot crack in here. I want to say these tires are like 20 years old, something like that. But you got a little dry rot, so I definitely, before I start driving it, replace the tires. Again, the car is on consignment with me, so the client just wants to sell it and doesn't want to put any more money into it, so, which I respect. So just make a note of that as you're buying it. But no door dings, scratches, anything like that. You got a little bit aging on the rubbers here. The rocker molding's really nice. Door fit's excellent. Again, never been an accident. As far as paint, I believe this car was painted at one time. But they did an amazing job. I can tell that by I'm gonna put the paint meter on there. It's all really nice. There's one little ding back here. I think when we were putting a hard top on it, you got a little scratch here. Nothing that happened from putting a hard top on it. A little rubber seal here. It's got a little crack. And this rubber in the bumper, there's a little damage there, but nothing that you'd have to go fixing right away. All this is real nice. The taillight lenses are nice. You got the third brake light. It's really nice underneath. Full disclosure, looking it over, there's two little bubbles right here. And you got one right there. So you can leave it, or you'd have to repair it. Maybe something starting right here in this wheel well. It could have been repaired at one time, it looks like. This side's nice and straight. All the chrome's really nice. Again, all the tires kind of have that little dry rotting, so definitely have to replace the tires. I kind of went over the wheel. The wheels are in good shape, but some of these marks do come out. They seem really nice. But that's a walk around of the car, and I just want to show the paint meter as I got it out on the hood here. So I think, well, that's really low, but it's not consistent. Well, you're not seeing it, so there. It says the hood's that changes. See, just the consistency is not there, so that it makes me. And I changed the damn setting here. There we go. There we go. So that makes me think that it's been painted, just inconsistency in the car. And in the jam, you can kind of see a little where they masked it there. So, just in the interest of full disclosure, but overall, it's a very nice car, so I don't want to be discouraged. If you're just looking for a nice SL, this is it. You know, the ones that are perfect, they're bringing 100 grand, it seems like, or more. I think some up to 200. So this is a really, really nice car that you can actually drive and enjoy. But look how nice this interior is. The interior is all original. This leather's real soft and supple and nice. No, hardly any wear to it. I love this color combination. All the rubbers are nice and supple. Just a really clean car. It was well taken care of, and it was driven and used here and there, but it's very well taken care of. Original radio, nice steering wheel, nice dash. The Mercedes mats underneath there is beautiful carpet. All the sill plates are excellent. All the tags are beautiful. This is all original paint in here. These are always usually broken on the cars. They're in great shape. It's got the first aid kit there. Again, all nice rubber down here. Definitely cleaner than most your 560 SLs. You can just tell this is a really well taken care of car. Beautiful original dash. Beautiful wood grain. Again, you can see the seats are soft and supple and nice. You got the original first aid kit back there. Original carpets. Even the sun visors are nice and working. These are usually all worn out. Before I go up into the hood, let's pop the trunk. Comes with a car cover. Your batteries in here with your jack and tool kit is all there. The original spares in here. I don't think it's ever been used. It's like brand new. Super clean underneath here. The original, the VIN numbers, right there, as you can see. I have pictures with the top up. You can see how nice it is. See how super clean it is under the hood here. You can just tell this car has been very, very well taken care of. All the original decals, Mercedes radiator. There's some service records that came with it, and it's like, I think a lot of them are from the Mercedes dealership. Take it for a spin here. You can see kilometers, 136, and it comes out to miles. You got the Becker radio, you got both the top latches there. Mirror's really nice. All the windows work, AC works, the radio works.
This entire team being a bunch of young up-and-comers.
Antenna works,
for
power antenna.
Opportunity.
Oh. Let's take it for a spin here. Car runs really nice. Shifts good. Nice and tight. The steering wheel's nice and straight. Suspension's tight. It's a really nice running driving car that's been very well taken care of. Nice get up and go. But a really good car all the way around. Again, well taken care of. If you're interested, you're more than welcome to call, email, text, message me. I'll be happy to show it to you. It's right in Scottsdale here, but buy it with confidence. You know what you're getting. It is a very, very nice car. And I'm happily answer any questions you have. I can help with shipping anywhere in the country or in the world. But the only thing I'd say you need to do to the car is tires. That's the only thing, and it's ready to go. So, I hope you enjoyed the video, and good luck. Nice cars like this don't last long, so don't wait. All right, bye. So if you're looking to sell a classic car, or even considering selling a classic car, click the link below. Tell me what you have. If it's one car, two cars, a whole collection of cars, someone left you a whole estate of cars, memorabilia, anything like this, tell me what you got. I'd love to check it out. I may be a buyer myself, but for the most, you'll get a free appraisal. I'll tell you what it's worth, depending how fast you want to sell it or what you want to deal with. I'll tell you where to go to get the most money, or the most I'll pay for it. So again, click the link below. Tell me what you got. Bobby Adams World, don't forget it. I'm on all social platforms, and I really look forward to seeing what you have. Thanks a lot. I'll see you on the next one.